everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Muvhango from the 14th to the 18th of March 2022 on Monday. Chireletso is rushed to hospital. Is he going to make it? Susan rebooks Azwindini, who threatens her. Itseng sees Hosi's bank statement on Tuesday. James and Imani receive a phone call that turns their lives upside down again. Susan has to take an unwelcome guest into the royal house. Vangani has changed his mind about Azwindini. Bubbles has a surprise for Hosi on Wednesday. Bubble tells Hosi that she cares about him. Azwindini is losing the trust of his people. Denda forces his way back into MMC. A mysterious stranger is keeping tabs on Gugu on Thursday. Denda Mudzimu is back in the saddle as CEO of MMC after being cleared of murder charges, claiming truth and honor will prevail. What are the chances? Susan is suspicious of Masindi as present in the royal house after being attacked, but does she have reason to doubt the old woman's motive? Gugu is blissfully unaware of the surfacing of a new member of her family on Friday. Nomasondo tells Gugu that they are sisters. Gugu tells her off. Masindi says it's only fair for Susan to take the head off the table since she's the host. Shares bemoans her financial situation. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.